Hello, this is Sandra from Safari. I am here with two beautiful, full-grown cats, Fluffy and Pooters. Fluffy is the striped one. Pooters is the one with the bow. They are in love with a cat named... Actually, I don't know his name. Come here, you little kitty! Here comes the kitty. Give us a trick. I think he's a little depressed right now. Both of his women are fighting. Let's watch this intense fight. Whoa, Pickham's got a good one. This is very, very intense. Fluffy, I didn't know you could hit that hard. Some content may be too disturbing for children under the age 13. 14. 15. 16. That is just wrong. Okay, I'm staying with 17.
That little pussy over there is declawed. Ah!